What if I told you that Samsung is about to drop a mid-range phone that feels almost like a flagship without the flagship price? Yes, the upcoming Samsung Galaxy A57 5G is shaping up to be one of the most exciting budget-friendly smartphones of the year. And in today's video, we're diving deep into everything you need to know. But trust me, you'll want to stay till the end, because there's one feature that might completely change your mind about mid-range phones forever. Starting with the design and display, the Galaxy A57 5G is expected to feature a stunning 6.6-inch Super AMOLED display with a buttery-smooth 120Hz refresh rate, giving you vibrant colors, deep blacks, and an ultra-smooth scrolling experience whether you're gaming, watching videos, or just browsing social media. Under the hood, this device is rumored to be powered by a next-generation Exynos or Snapdragon mid-range chipset, delivering solid performance for everyday tasks and even heavy gaming, combined with up to 8 GB or 12 GB of RAM, making multitasking faster and smoother than ever before. But here's where things get interesting. Samsung is expected to integrate advanced AI features that will optimize performance, enhance photography, and even improve battery life based on your usage patterns, meaning your phone actually learns how you use it and adapts accordingly. Speaking of battery, the Galaxy A57 5G could pack a massive 5,000 mAh battery with fast charging support, easily lasting a full day or even more on a single charge, which is perfect for heavy users who hate constantly reaching for the charger. Now let's talk about cameras, because this is where Samsung always tries to shine, and the A57 5G is expected to come with a powerful triple or quad camera setup, possibly featuring a 50MP main sensor with improved low-light capabilities, an ultra-wide lens for those scenic shots, and a macro or depth sensor for creative photography. While the front camera is likely to deliver crisp and clear selfies perfect for social media. Performance-wise, thanks to software optimization and the latest One UI updates, you can expect a clean, smooth, and highly customizable experience with enhanced security and long-term software support that Samsung has been focusing on recently. As for the launch date, the Galaxy A57 5G is expected to be officially announced in early 2026, likely around the first quarter, making it one of the first big mid-range releases of the year. But here's the real twist. Rumors suggest that Samsung might introduce a flagship-level feature into this phone, something usually reserved for their premium S-series devices, and if that turns out to be true, this could easily become the best-value smartphone of 2026. So the big question is, will the Galaxy A57 5G redefine what we expect from mid-range phones, or is it just another incremental upgrade? Stick around, because once this phone launches, we'll put to the test and see if it truly lives up to the hype. And just imagine getting flagship-like performance, smart AI features, and a stunning display without breaking the bank. That's something worth waiting for. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it, subscribe to my channel, and tell me in the comments from which place you're watching. I'd love to know.